Hello kids. Let's trace small letters. A to Z. Using only two colors, green and black. But before this, please share, subscribe and like my channel.
Green color, black color. A for ant. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for goat. H for horse. I for ink. J for juice. K for kite. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yellow. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.